Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. The work here on the Mordheim board is going on, guys. I already prepared a lot of stuff. I basically almost finished the first level of the pavimentation here near the T-junction canals. And now we have this beautiful part. This is actually all in one piece now. You see I have added some piece of foam, and we need to complete the conjunction of this beautiful bridge to the rest of the board. Come closer, I need to show you what is the point. Okay, sorry about the mess, guys. This is work in progress. Remember that I'm working basically with all these 4 panels placed because I need to be very precise on the conjunction. The junction must be very precise. So now the point is that we need to complete this part, okay? And yeah, I intend to finish this part with an arch, so this will be a passage, okay, for this zone. And then we will add some wooden bridges here for walk this canal, okay? Yeah, so quite a lot to do. Craft on. Now, since this one is much better than the other one, I will keep this on the 2 entrances. So I will split him in 2, like so. Okay. And in this way, you have the better arch on the external part. Like so. I want to use a beautiful design, so I'm trying to have the beautiful arch. This is very important to sell the piece. Like so. Nice. Now it's very important the inside on all 3 pieces. Yeah, beautiful. We can add some on the inside. Yeah. Let's cut this. Now we can press the part, external part, in this way. We are going to have basically a beautiful relief of the stones of the arch, okay, like so. And now we complete the line with other bricks. Last touch, a little bit of aluminum foil, like so. Okay, now look at that. Nice. Now the second piece, this one, it's important because of the inside of the piece. Okay, so we need to add lines on the inside, like so. It's a work of patience. You need to go through all the inner walls. It can be difficult, but it's, in the end, it will pay the effort. Aluminum foil also on the inside. This don't need to be too complicated, guys. Okay. In the end, the effect is more than beautiful. Okay, like so. And the third part must be exactly like the first one. So let's go with the arch. Nice. Beautiful passage, guys. Now, of course, we need to put it together. So let's use some glue. Also on the other side. Glue. Let's finish the pavimentation here. Very nice. For the top part of the Gutterreach District, guys, we need to connect to the city walls and also to the keep. This is the real challenge of this table. So yeah, I need to replace the segment of the keep in the right position and then to design new walls to have the perfect junction between all the pieces. Yeah, quite a difficult task, but I can do it. Crack on! So this is the next starting point, guys. I have all this lower zone basically finished. I'm very satisfied by the effect of this canal. Then we have the passage. Here we're gonna have the entrance for the sewers in the lower part of the board. Then we have like an uphill zone, and this is where I will connect the walls somehow. I don't know yet how. See? Basically, all this upper part will be like here. Stones, crumbles, stuff, few passages. Okay, and this will be finished with some wooden bridges and stuff like that. Yeah, but this is too much for this video. So yeah, I think this is it, guys. Wait guys, before leave, an important message. If you like my work, if you like these videos, if you are watching these videos and you want to see more, please consider to support me on Patreon. Patreon is the best way to support my channel, and also you will get instant access to a lot of material, included my fantasy modeling course that is fully online right now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!